what I'm trying to do now, we discussed in earlier session, we had a GitHub, right? I'm just committing all our changes to GitHub, isn't it? Am I audible, guys? Hello?
Yes, Deepak.
I'm audible, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, in earlier session, we used GitHub just to commit our changes. But now, what you need to do, if let's say, if you have already an organization like a repository, if you want to utilize, so I'll be going through the how to set up a GitHub account for yourself. So I'm creating this GitHub. I'm copying this, and don't worry, whatever mission you are seeing today is a different from yesterday's mission. So in this computer, I do not have any project set up for a Git. Now I copied that URL. Let's go to yep. So here you can see.
Deepak can't see your screen.
Oh, you can't see my screen. Okay, fine. I forgot to share. Allow. Do let me know once you can able to see.
Yes.
So I copied my URL and I'm going to this machine. You can see there is no project setup yet. So what I'll do, Control Shift P, SFDX, sorry, Git clone. There is a project called, you can say Git clone, and clone from GitHub, or you can also pass your repository URL, either one. Because if the repository is created by me, I can simply say clone from GitHub. It asks me a sign up and password. But now I am using my username and password. I'm just using my repository URL. How you can get your repository URL? After repository open, you can copy from a browser. So it is asking where should I say? It is asking where should I say? So I'll say this one. I'll say Git SFDX projects. I'm creating a folder structure where I should clone. So I created one directory, Git SFDX projects. I'm selecting this as a repository location. Select repository location, or else I can say learn today will be my subfolder inside that, because there will be a chances that I will be having multiple repositories. So inside learn today, I'm creating my repository location. So now it cloning all my extension from there. Since would you like to clone repository and open? I don't want to open a new thing. Let's go file, open. I can say workspace.me. I didn't created anything, right? It just simply created this. I simply say open. And if you can remember, yesterday we created a component of LWC, right? My header component, isn't it? We created this component, right, yesterday.
Yes.
This is my first component. So whatever changes I make, let's say if I made a changes of here username, and let's say lightning hyphen input value equal to username label equal to username.
We use lightning colon, right, Deepak? Not
That
hyphen.
is in Aura. That's what I am trying to come. In Aura in Lightning Web Components, you will not be using any more columns. You will be using only hyphens.
Okay.
This is ECMA 6, ECMA type of development. So you will not be using, and you cannot call in single line. Okay, you will not able to use slash also. You have to close in a new line only always. Like in Lightning, in Aura components, we used to say slash, isn't it?
Yes.
But here you can't use slash. Every component need to be having a end closing tag also separately. Now what happens? Username, and I'll say on change thang on chain equal to handle name change. So every time you can see right here I'm not using any double quotes, nothing. I'm just using flower braces and continuing, right? If you can observe this, right? You can see I'm not using any double quotes and all. In Aura, we used to have double quotes and then you'll say V dot for variables and C dot for a JavaScript handlers. Here there will be no difference. Every time it's same only. You can see, right? Question has been asked, but no reply. Now the problem here is I'm not even authorizing my Salesforce arc. Let me authorize my Salesforce arc first. Authorize an arc, and I'll say okay. First, before to that, I don't know my username password for the arc. Trailhead.salesforce.com. Login. Login with Google. Selecting my email ID for OAuth authentication. So authorization is completed. Go to my hands-on arc. There we have a module of Canada. Yes. How easy it is. You can see right the project, whatever changes we did it, I just got like that. Now here let me go to don't allow. I don't want to see notifications. Developer console. Just for my username, nowhere else I'm here. Execute highlighted. Debug only. Copy. Control Shift P. SFDX. Authorize and arc. Production. And loan Canada. Username, password. Not now. Successfully authorized. Myself, I got successfully authorized. Perfect. Yep. So now let me do one thing. So I created like a username as the input variable and handle change name.